Okay, welcome to video 1 for middle school science, life science. Today we're going to talk about habitats a little bit. And basically a habitat is just an environment that provides the needs such as food, shelter, and water for any living organism. That's what a habitat is. So a tree, a little pond, a field, a prairie. Not the entire prairie, actually, for it would just be like the hole in the ground where the prairie dog lives, and the immediate area around it where it gets its food, its water, and its shelter. So that's what a habitat is. There's a couple of key words we have to talk about. One is organism. By now you should know organism. Organism is any living thing, something that is alive. Going with that are the other two important words for today, which are biotic and abiotic. A biotic factor in a habitat or an ecosystem is anything that is living. So the prairie dog, the grass, bacteria, worms, fungi, things that are actually alive. Don't forget plants and fungi and bacteria. A lot of times students will forget that. Everybody knows that the animals running around are alive. Sometimes we forget about the plants like grass and trees, but usually we forget about the bacteria the most. And fungi. Those are also living organisms. Bacteria are really small, but they are there and very important. Abiotic factors are all the non-living things that affect the habitat or the ecosystem. Examples would be sunlight, water, soil types, temperature, that's a good one to think about, and gases. We don't see gases, but gases are very important. Oxygen and carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Right? Finally, I want to make sure you understand that habitats and ecosystems are not the same thing. We're going to get into this more as we go. Next video, we'll talk about the ecosystem, what an ecosystem is. But in general, I like to think of habitats as an individual house that a family lives in, and the ecosystem being the entire town or city that the family lives in. Right? We'll get more into this later. Quickly reiterate, the needs are food, shelter, and water. Also important that they're able to reproduce in that area. If they can't reproduce, then they can't carry on their species. It wouldn't be a habitat, right? So I have a question for you, and I want you to answer in the comments below. Why do different organisms live in different habitats? Why do you think that is? So go ahead and answer below. Look forward to seeing you guys and hearing from you guys. Remember, if you have any questions, hit me up on Zoom Monday, Wednesday, Friday during your selected time, or 3 to 4 Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Have a great day.